Welcome to another E-Academy episode of the Versa Plus control panel. This is the last part of the series dedicated to this control panel. Today we will present another way to operate the control panel, which is by using the built-in INT-VG module. In the previous installment, we completed configuration of the module. We prepared and synthesized the messages referring to the names of partitions, zones, outputs, as well as the notification messages. We will also show you how to dial into the control panel and how to navigate through the voice menu. We have also created, by way of example, one macro and will present how it works in practice. What do we need in today's episode? The Versa Plus set, complete with transformer and battery, as well as the INT TSG keypad, which we used in previous installments. Additionally, a computer with Windows operating system. The Deload X program, which can be downloaded free of charge from our website. The SOW300 beacon, which will be used as an output operation indicator. A mini USB cable and a SIM card. We also need a smartphone that will be used for communication with the control panel. Let's proceed with the configuration then. The control panel is already running in the service mode. Let's start the Deload X program. Connect the control panel to the computer via the mini USB cable. Accept the USB connection message and read the data from the panel. The audio control can take place via the PSTN network as well as the GSM module. We will use the GSM module integrated into the control panel mainboard. To enable the control panel to receive connections, you must select the corresponding options in the configuration window of the Versa ETH module GSM tab. So, select the Receiving Audio Connections item. Below, you can find the previously entered phone number to be notified, which has been assigned to user 30. This number will be used to connect through to the control panel. Then, save the data to the control panel. Use the 00 hash shortcut on the keypad to exit the service mode. Before setting up connection with the control panel, we will trigger the Tamper Alarm so as to demonstrate full functionality of the voice menu. Now let's proceed to establish audio connection with the control panel. Dial on the smartphone the number of the SIM card installed in the control panel. The control panel receives the call and plays back the welcome message defined in the previous episode.
User 30. Welcome to Versa Plus Alarm System. Alarms. Troubles.
The module plays back the messages of the main menu level.
1. Macros. 2. Partitions. 3. Listen. 4. Zones. 5. Alarms. 7. Troubles. 8. Outputs.
To check the current alarms in the control panel, select the item 5 alarms.
Home. Tamper Alarm Memory. Zone. 3. 1. Tamper Alarm Memory. 9. Clear alarms.
To clear an alarm, select 9. After clearing the alarm, the control panel takes you back to the main menu. Let's go now to the trouble list. Select 7. The module will read all the troubles in the system.
Partitions. Zone. 3. 1. Memory. Tamper. 9. Clear troubles memory.
By selecting 9, you can clear the trouble memory. After clearing the trouble, the control panel returns to the main menu. Now select the item 4 zones. The module reads the names of all zones in the system.
Zones. Enter zone number and press hash. Corridor 1. Living room.
To check the status of a given zone, press its number on the telephone keypad. Let's check the status of the first zone. Press 1, confirm using hash, and the module reads its status. Press asterisk to go back to the main menu, and then to the outputs. Press 8 for the module to read the names of all controllable outputs.
2. Enter output number and press hash. Rollers 1.
Now we will show you how to enable the required output. Press 1 and confirm using hash.
Sprinkler rollers. Output inactive 1. Switch on.
Press 1. Output activation is indicated by the beacon coming on.
0. Rollers. Output active. 1. Switch on again.
Now press 6 to disable the output. The beacon goes off. Press asterisk to return to the
Output
main menu.
inactive. 1. Macros.
An interesting function offered by the INT-VG module in the Versa Plus control panel is audio monitoring. It enables alarm verification by listening into the sounds from the location where the control panel is installed. To make use of this functionality, you must connect the INT-AVT acoustic alarm verification terminal to the control panel. Finally, we will demonstrate how the macro we prepared in the last episode works. The macro will arm the system and enable the first output. To do this, select item 1, which is macros. The module is reading the macros available in the system.
2. Macro. 1.
Select 1, Run, to run the first
Macro
macro.
executed.
The macro arms both partitions and turns on the first output, which is indicated by the SOW300 beacon, and a corresponding message can be seen on the keypad. Now press *0# in succession to end the connection with the control panel. After the connection is terminated, the control panel will inform you about arming the system with the predefined message. The control panel is calling the user number. The call is received and the message is played back. Armed. Hang up, and then trigger alarm on the first output. The alarm is triggered and the control panel calls up with a suitable message.
Attention alarm.
As before, the message is played back after receiving the connection. And that's it for today. As usual, for more detailed information on the topic discussed in today's episode, please follow the link under the video. This was the last installment of the Versa Plus dedicated series, in which we have shown you the capabilities and functionalities of our latest control panel. See you soon.